We are starting to talk about writing algebraic expressions, guys. So words and phrases for math symbols is the very first page you guys should see. All of these words that are on this page, if you see that word, it either means addition, or it means subtraction, or it means to multiply, or it means to divide. Then eventually there'll be words that we'll talk about that means equal to, or there'll be phrases that you'll see where it means these need to have parentheses around these phrases. So this is just a sheet where the only thing I want you to change on it is in division. It has the word per. I don't like that word for division, so I want you guys to cross that out. So cross out the word per, because to me, per is more of a multiplication word, not a division word. Because when I talk about I make $15 per hour, that means I need to multiply my 15 by my variable. So per to me is a multiplication word, not a division word. So make sure you change per to be under multiplication and cross it out under division. So this is a page I want you guys to be referencing, to be using all of those words. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Flip to your next page, which it is this blue page that says writing algebraic expression notes. So up at the top, it says keywords. Now, we already have all of these keywords written down on the page prior, so I'm not going to make you rewrite all the words. I just want you to write see page prior. So see page prior to this page. They're all on the page directly before. There's absolutely no reason that you need to rewrite them all down unless you really want to, and then you can. That's your choice. So first thing I want to do is I want to be able to make sure that you guys can identify keywords and what operation they are. So if you guys read that first sentence, you're just going to put an X or check mark in whether that operation means to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So the first one says Bruce is 4 times taller than Alex. Put a box or put a check mark in whatever operation it is, and then circle the word that told you it was that operation. Do you guys remember your numbers from class? If I were to say number 12, do you remember who number 12 is? No? Yes, maybe so. I don't remember. Okay. Someone unmute themselves. I don't care who. Tell me what the answer is. Which one? Why? Good. So you should have put a check marks in that multiplication box, and you should have circled times. Nice job, Connor. Okay, let's do the next one, everyone. Miss J has 12 bags of candy that she will split equally among her students. Put a check mark in which one that is, and then circle the key word. Circle the word that told you whether it was an add, subtract, multiply, or divide. All right, someone different, unmute yourself. Tell me what you got. Why? Excellent. I don't know who said that, but excellent job. All right, do the next one. Miles had 10 fewer stickers than Arturo. Give me a check mark, circle the word. Someone different, unmute yourself. Good. I'm okay with multiple people telling me. That's fine too. Why? Excellent. Okay, do the last three, everyone. So it says Kaylin spent $40 more than Mark at the store. So check mark, circle the key word or words. It can be more than one word. Okay, where should my check mark be, guys? Good. Why? What's the key word? Now I'm going to have you guys circle more than for me. More is correct, but add the word than to it. Nicely done. The next one says Hank ate twice as much ice cream as Kenny. Circle the key word. Give me a check mark. Why? Excellent. Nice job, guys. And last one says the number of students decreased by 120. What is it? Why? Decrease by, as long as you have decreased. If you add the by in, that's totally fine as well. Okay, questions for figuring out the keywords. So now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking those keywords and you're going to be writing them like the expressions that you guys just solved on your homework quiz, but you're not actually solving them. So if we go back up to that first one where it says Bruce is 4 times taller than Alice, okay, you circle your keyword. We already did that. Underline your number or numbers. If there's more than one number, underline it. So what number should I be underlining, you guys? 4. Excellent. So I know that I'm going to take 4 and I'm going to multiply it by something. You are multiplying it by your variable. So you need to underline your number and your variable. Your variable is the number that you don't know. So what don't I know in this problem? How tall is Alice? So Alice is your variable. You can pick any variable you want. I don't care what letter you use. You pick whatever variable you want to use. Is that understood? So I'm going to take 4, and we said it was a multiplication problem, so I'm taking 4, and I'm going to times it by Alice. So I'm going to write an A just because Alice starts with an A. You could have wrote an X, a Y, a Z. It doesn't matter. We don't write X's for time signs anymore. Those are gone. So you can write 4 times A like I did here. Or you can just write 4 with an A right next to it because that also means to multiply. Okay, let's do that with number 2, the second one. Ms. J has 12 bags of candy. She will split them equally among her students. What's my number, everyone? So we should have 12. And what operation are we doing with that 12? So I have 12 divided by, and what is my variable? What is the thing that I do not know? I don't know how many students she has, so students is my variable, and I will write an S down just because student starts with an S. So it's 12 divided by S. Okay, next one. Miles has 10 fewer stickers than Arturo. However that's pronounced. We know it's fewer. What does fewer mean, everyone? What operation again? So, perfect. What's my number? So I have 10. Oops, hold on. I have 10 fewer stickers than Arturo. What do I not know? What's my variable? So I'm going to have 10 and an A for Arturo. Okay, here's a tricky part. Am I saying 10 minus the amount of stickers Arturo has, or Arturo minus 10? It needs to be Arturo minus 10, so it's A minus 10, which means all of these problems up above, we wrote it as we read it. The fewer one, I had to actually read it and flip it around because I want to take 10 away from the amount of stickers our churro has, not 10 stickers and then subtract the amount of stickers our churro has. So you really have to read that statement carefully to make sure you write it in the right order. Does that make sense, guys? So tomorrow, Wednesday, we will finish these 3 questions, plus I have a few more that we will do. Otherwise, your only homework assignment is to make sure Alex is done by tomorrow. Sound good, guys? If you need to Zoom with me for any reasons, like you need to take your multiplication memorization quiz, you have missing homework, any sort of that sort of stuff, log into my Zoom at 3 o'clock today. Sound good, guys? So if you're missing stuff, join my Zoom at 3. Got it, guys? I will see all of you later. Have a great rest of your day. Go enjoy lunch. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.